Welcome to Light Up with Shua podcast, a weekly bilingual podcast on conscious living and parenting. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get updates. You can find this channel and subscribe on iTunes, Spotify, TuneIn Radio, Castbox, and also on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. The first topic of Season 3 is on the environment and climate change. And my first guest is Professor Ibrahim Ozdemir from Turkey. He brings Islamic perspective to this important topic. You will find what Muslims are doing and what Islam teaches us about environment and earth care, and how the phenomenal treasure of knowledge exists in the Islamic tradition that is known to the Muslims since more than 1400 years. Therefore, it is crucial to share this code of success and knowledge more than ever with those who are not aware. The secrets of our environment and care for Mother Nature are beautifully described in the Quran, the holy book that Muslims follow, that has been preserved by Allah Himself since more than 1400 years, which is complete and in its entirety was revealed to the last Prophet Muhammad, peace be with him, in the line of the prophets. If you like what you see and hear on this podcast, then please remember to subscribe and share it with your friends and family. And let me know what you think of this content, my esteemed, diverse guests and their perspectives, by sending your constructive feedback and beautiful comments. Thank you.